is what made everything feel even heavier. Because if Blueface isn't the father, the entire dynamic of this scandal changes instantly. It means the pastor wasn't speaking out of malice. He was speaking out of desperation for a child whose real father wasn't being acknowledged. It means the instability gets magnified.
Okay.
It means the drinking allegations get darker. It means the timelines get more suspicious. And it means her entire storyline collapses. But if Blueface is the father, then he'll be forced to confront the reality he keeps ignoring, that his son
this lovely little rose. This was when it was all quite blended, the end of it. Oh wow, that's so pretty. You've got like a couple of bubbles here, but that's really pretty, isn't it? It's lovely. Then we have these beautiful things. I've got some lovely necklace stuff to put through there. I really like that. I might put a sticker on there as well. Maybe. Might put something on there, I don't know. I really like that. I'm going to try the chiffon effect soon with these, I think. It's so pretty. All three different. That one's got some tiny little bubbly bits, but I'm really pleased with them. More flowers. Wow, look at that butterfly on there. Can bring that up with a different colour and that'll look amazing. A couple of little air bubbles, but that was the end of it, and I was really trying to get it in. They're really nice. Just cut those bits off, but yeah. Wow, so cute. And it's got a nice gradient on the flower. We've got these ones. These are like more flat with some geometric stuff. Wow. Yeah, some of it's a metallic pink and some of it's a chameleon colour. I've got some air bubbles in that one. He's come up pretty good, really, considering it was the end of the batch. The heat helps there, I think. And I did put it all through the bubble machine. Debubble machine, which I got from Temu as well. A couple of little air bubbles in there, very tiny ones. I might see what Bits and Glitter Michelle does with the tiny little air bubbles, if she does them or not. Let's see these. I haven't done these before. They're holographic, aren't they? Oh wow. Oh, I love that. That's so cool. There's a few air bubbles because it was right at the end. It was really getting thick. But I really like them. Very flat, which is interesting. You could use them in other layers. How cool is that? Wow. Just from the pattern being in the mould. I don't quite understand how it works, but it does. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Last but not least, wow. That is so cool. I really like them. I'm going to have to make a use for them to be able to use them properly in resins, like to make something, you know, because like they're beautiful, but like there's only so many hearts that you want without a project, you know. So anyway, that's my unmold for today. Thanks for joining me, guys. Much love, breathe easy, folks. I'll see you again soon. Bye.